We're doing the hot chicken curry noodles. Let me see your vote. Oh, you wasted it. You ready? I think I got more than you, and mine's hot. I'm gonna give you some sauce.
I don't need no sauce.
No, because I got all the sauce over here. Don't take my noodles.
Oh, that's good. That's good.
Weak sauce. You go weak sauce.
I just want a little forkful.
I don't know if you should try it.
I'll wait until after you finish.
Is it hot to you, Dama?
No, not really.
I still. I got more than you. You know why yours not hot? You ain't had none of the sauce.
Let me get some of yours. You can put some in mine. I'm finished.
Oh, God. Let's open you up right here.
Hello? Yeah, this is fine.
I don't.
You know what I mean? I guess my son beat me. Because he didn't have all this sauce. Y'all can't tell.
I have sauce.
Look at the sauce. He didn't have a lot of it.
I
No.
love sauce.
He has the nerve to be eating one of the vanilla cups. My mouth's burning.
Just so I won't feel it later on.
How much is that? Nails and PJ?
Yeah.
45.
You got some more? Oh, wow, my lights. Need some milk?
Like this one?
You real look at all this juice though. I'm the real soldier. My mouth, they turning red. Look at my lips.
I never did touch my lips.
Apparently he won because he didn't have no sauce.
We can redo it.
We can redo it today.
No. I never did that. Oh, but I promise.
What is so funny?
I'm not sober,
When you drink this sauce,
Okay.
okay. The pasta was really good though. Whew. Oh my God, he's a show off. Look what he did to my bowl. That's good. You left me the noodles.
Yep.
I think it was supposed to be in a time challenge.
I won.
Drink your juice.
Man.
Yeah, let's see if it's mouth. But he keep eating on ice cream.
She started gymnastics like a month
This one won't feel later.
ago. She does. Sometimes keep it really.
To be honest, I didn't really need the ice cream. But it's still ice cream. I like ice cream.
Give me more water out the deep freezer.
You shouldn't eat water. You should drink
I want
just-
water. I want
Water
water.
aggravates when you eat ice cream. I mean, when you have hot stuff. I'm gonna give
Well,
you
the challenge is over. We didn't really do it. It was we shared one bag,
Yeah, I got it.
and he left me with all the sauce.
So.
Yeah.
No,
You don't wanna
I didn't get a mouse.
Oh my God. You can see the redness of my tongue.
Oh, yeah, I
I think I'm ready to start doing my YouTube video. Excuse me.
Yeah, put this on your lips.
I don't want that. I just wanted water.
Mom, water aggravates it.
You drinking up the kids' milk.
Yeah.
Milk makes it better. Water doesn't.
It does. Can I still have my bottle of water though?
Yeah.
Thank you.
So which freezer?
I think I got this one.
There you go.
Oh man, I was gonna say, oh man, it's still not cold. Here, Dominique, take this for me. And this a towel, whatever, from this sauce. Well, we did it. We did the. Bring it over here, Damo.
What?
That package.
Maybe just do like a month.
We did this one, the curry chicken. It's really good in spice, but
Yeah, I heard. Oh, that's so fast.
my son said it wasn't hot, and it was really hot to me, and my mouth and my tongue is still burning. It's not as bad as the 2 times. It's a little better. Okay, let me this up. Whew.
You good?
I always do my bottled water like that. Once I'm done with it, it be all sunk in. I know your mouth not burning.
Mm-mm.
Ice cream.
Well, it wasn't burning without ice cream.
It was really good though.
Yeah.
Can I have a napkin to dry my mouth?
Yeah.
I don't see nothing funny.
Yeah. Let me go back, Mom.
Throws away. So this is the one we did, you guys. Really good. Spicy, but not as spicy as the 2 times. He couldn't handle the 2 times. He was a crybaby.
I finished mine.